I just pulled this fuel tank out of my 68 Thunderbird and I knew it was rusty, but I didn't know it was this rusty. Check this out. I'm gonna pop a light in the filler neck side. Check that out. Let me know if any of you guys have ever seen a rustier tank. And this is not including the cup or so of sediment that came out of this tank. So this is a car that was made in, what is it, LA or San Francisco at the Ford plant there, which is probably no longer around. That's what I discovered from the VIN. And also, then it was in Saskatchewan, and aside from that, I don't know the history, but check out that rust.